be able to take this discussion also to its logical conclusion.
The 3 autonomous district councils, ADCs, have sought time from the state government to examine the governor's recent notification for implementing the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 and Code of Civil Procedure 1908 throughout Meghalaya. The heads of the 3 autonomous district councils had met Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and expressed concern over the dilution of the powers of the district council courts because of the notification. GHADC Deputy CEM Nickman Marak told reporters after the meeting with the Chief Minister that all the 3 ADCs will individually submit the reply to the Chief Minister on their stand to the proposal to enforce CRPC and CPC throughout the state. Meanwhile, Chief Minister said there was no question of diluting or infringing upon the judicial powers of the district councils.
Now we are trial in the village court. Village court don't have any CRPC or CPC. There is a Laskar and judicial officers there. They should not take any law, they should not take any trial applying CPC and CRPC. After long discussion, we could not come to the conclusion since we got the notification by judge itself. So we have asked some more time. 48 hours has been asked by us, then time has been given.
And that whatever steps are being taken right now and are being suggested by the government is only to regularize the overall functioning of the judiciary, where the separation of the executive from the judiciary has taken place. But while we say that, it's simply to ensure that the continuity of the judiciary in terms of now from the ADC judiciary to the judicial magistrates can happen in a smooth manner.